Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, I want to tell you about the trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation is not easy topic about trigonometry, and for this video, I want to introduce about how can you solve trigonometric equation without using unit circle. Normally, if you want to solve trigonometric equation, you need using unit circle. But for this solution, you don't need to use circle anymore. We will use periodicity of sine. If you want to solve the trigonometric equation, sine is equal of sine alpha. Alpha here will be the one specific angle, and which you can using the periodicity of sine by the first equation is h equal to alpha plus 360 degrees and multiply with n. Why we have 360 degrees? Because after you add 360 degrees, it means the point in the unit circle here will make a circle, one more rounding about the circle here and come back to the original point. This means the point will be the same in the unit circle in this one, and maybe you can turn one times or two times or three times, it doesn't matter. And that's why I have to write multiply n with 360 degrees. This presents for the number of circle you want to turn that point around a circle. And the second one will be the another point have the same value for sine. About the sine, we will use the formula 180 degrees minus alpha, and the back will be the same 360 degrees multiply 1. Yeah, okay. So you can see that the second equation we have no sine anymore. From the first one, you got sine in the left hand side and sine in the right hand side. But for the second here, for the formula here, the first equation and the second equation, you don't need to write sine anymore. That's about the h and about the alpha. And about h and alpha present for the angles, but for n here, this present for the integer. When I say integer, it means sometimes n will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or sometimes the bigger one, or another integer will be the minus integer or negative integer, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3 or minus 4, and of course n can be equal to 0. So n present for the integer. So apply this formula to the specific example. We have sine h equal to 0.5. 0.5 is not the angle. So the first step, I have to convert 0.5 become to the sine of maybe degree, yes, 30 degree. And after this step, you got the both sides of this equation have the same function, trigonometric function is size. And about the angle, you got the position of h present for angles, and position of 30 degree here will present for the angle. Apply the formula. We have h equal to 30 degree and plus 360 degree multiply n. And the second formula about the h here will be 180 degree minus 30 degree and plus 360 degree multiply n. You need to write down more information and have to be the integer, maybe 0, maybe positive integer, maybe negative integer. Okay, and solve this one. You got the first equation will be 30 degree plus 360 degree multiply n, and the second one will be 150 degree plus 360 degree. You can see that now by using this formula, you can solve the trigonometric equation without using unit circle. That is the first example present for this formula. The second one, you got sine h equal to 0.7. Okay, 0.7 is not easy angle. That is the decimal angle for the value of 0.7. So I need to convert by using my calculator. Convert is mean 6 sine 0.7, and then you got 44.4 degree. Yep. Now the second step, we need to convert 0.7 become to the trigonometric function sine 44.4 degree. Yeah, this angle and this angle corresponding to position. And now convert this become to the two equation of x. The first x and the second x. And the first x is mean we keep unchanged for the original angles for 4.4 degree plus 360 degree multiply n. And the second one you need to using 180 degree minus the original degree. The original angle like this one. And then 360 degree multiply n. And now the first equation will be quite easy. 44.4 degree plus 360 degree multiply n. And the next one, this is will be minus 180 minus 44.4. Yes, so the point will be 135.6 degree plus 360 degree multiply n. Yeah, you got two solutions. The first solution, that's not one angle. We have infinite angle because for n here, n may be present for 1 around, 2 around, 3 around, or maybe the inverse direction. N equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So you got infinite solution for this question. But by using this method, you don't need to using unit circle. Only about the algebra. You remember about the trigonometric formula of sine x equal to sine of something. You got two formula for solving for x. The first x is keep unchanged for the original angles plus 360 degree multiply n. And the second one, I think about supplementary. Supplementary 180 degree minus 44.4 is mean 180 degree minus original angles. And then keep unchanged for the left plus 360 degree multiply n. And the next one will be the last one for this video. You got sine h equal to 0.75. A little harder because this question, I need to convert this one become to the form of the surf, something like square root of 2 over 2 like this one. Okay, square root 2 divide by 2 and then takes cos, it means the inverse function of sine equal to 45. Yeah, this is not 44.4 anymore, this is 45. And you got two position of sine, you got two position of angles. And this means the original angle here will be 45. And the first formula about h will be 45 plus the turning around multiply n 360 degree multiply n. And the second one present for the supplementary angle of x. You got the same value for x, 180 degree minus 45 and then plus 360 degree and multiply n. And present for the integer. And about the integer, maybe you got 0, maybe positive 1205. Or maybe negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Yeah, go on. And you got two solution. This is not two solution. This is a family of solution. Family of solution is mean you have a lot of solution present by the formula. And here will be multiply n, and the second one will be 135 degree plus 360 degree multiply n like this one. Okay, so that is the three examples about solving trigonometric equation, and more detail is sine x in this video. You don't need to using unit circle. That's using the periodicity of sine. Yeah, because sine is period function. Thank you and see you in next video.